Alright guys, it's the last day that we're going to be adding new colors. Not the last day for our project. You still have today and tomorrow to work on it, but we're going to talk about the last 3 sections today, alright? So you should have about half of your color wheel completely done right now. We just have a few sections left. We need to add the blue-violet section, we need to add the red-violet section, and we need to add the blue-green section. Okay, so now we're kind of working down in these cooler colors. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have. Now, your color pencils do not have these 3 colors that are labeled exactly what you need them to be, so I'm going to show you what we're going to use. For blue-green, we're going to use what's called aqua green. It's called aqua green in your bin. It's kind of a turquoisey color, and that's going to go between blue and green. And once again, you're going to start on the second one this time. So you're going to start on the second one, and that's where your blue-green is going to go. Now remember, it's not titled blue-green, it's called aqua green on your color pencils. Crayola sometimes just doesn't name things the way that you need them to be named. Okay, now this is the blue-green section. Okay, so that's the first one. It's between blue and green, and you're going to start on the second one. All right, so that's the first one you can work on today. The second one is the red-violet section. Now, you do not have a red-violet, so we're going to use the magenta colored pencil. The magenta, you're going to start on the second one, and that one goes between purple and red, or violet and red. Okay, so that is the red-violet section. All right, and the last section is the blue-violet section. Now, Crayola doesn't help us out at all here. There is nothing in your box that looks even close to blue-violet, so we have to do a little mixing. Okay, so for that, we're going to need blue and violet. Blue and violet. I like to start with the violet first. Okay, so obviously your blue-violet section is between your blue and your purple, and you're going to start on the second one. So I'm going to start with purple first, and I'm going to color purple normally, like I would if it were a violet section. Okay. And then I'm going to go back on top with my blue and color over it. Now, if you start noticing that you can see more blue than purple, you can go back over with purple again, because the colors should blend pretty well together to make kind of a bluish purple. Okay, I'm going to do a bigger section for you so that you can see. I'm going to do this one for you so that we can really get an idea of what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so there's one side. Now I'm going to go over with the blue. Okay, so that's my blue-violet, and that is your last section. All right, So you have today and tomorrow to get your project done. You will turn it in class tomorrow. And I can't wait to see them.